All right, everybody, welcome to our life in the Philippines. Oh, stop honking. All right, so today we're taking a little riding around a little bit today, and my wife earlier today said, why don't we go up to Bamban and to the grotto, and if you look up the stairs there, 168 steps, and they're not normal steps, guys. There are steps that are like, what do you call it? They're knee high. So by the time you get up there, you have some sore muscles. All right, so one of the reasons people go here is to kind of pay their respects, lit a candle. And I wanted to give you a little bit of insight on the candle. White stands for wish, red, family, good health, pink for love, orange, thanks for the blessings, green, money and more blessings, apple green for lucky, blue is for peace, yellow, family guide, protection, sky blue, hope, violet, miracle, and yellow stands for faith. So there you have it, and let's get up there. I'm gonna head up that way, but look at those stairs. They're far away up there. My wife's camera is actually pretty good. I'm actually gonna use some of her footage in here too. So she was just gonna go and get some electric power, but she should be back. But this is a nice little neighborhood. And once we go back home, we're going to take a different route. I think this road, if you got this road, it actually leads up to Mabalacat, Clark, and into Clark this way. So we're going to try to do something different. All right, here she is. She's back. So I'll hand the camera over and.
Yep. We go upstairs.
This time all right, so here I started having audio sound problems. The microphone quit on me, so I've been trying to patch it up, so let's see how it works.
So I think it's more than 100 steps.
It's more than 100?
Yeah, it's more than 100 steps.
Well, I'm tired of the first 10. So
we need to walk slowly. Oh, the sun is blocking.
Yeah, so regarding the steps, somebody told me it was 168, and the way they're constructed, they're knee high, so you got to lift your leg pretty high to get up there, and that is hard.
Yeah, for God so loved the world, He gave His only begotten Son, that whoever believes in Him shall not perish, but it's everlasting love.
They painted this since we had last time, right?
Yeah. So it's really nice.
Yeah, they did some serious renovation on it, and I guess it's been worn off a little bit anyway, but these steps were, I think they were blue or something when we were up here last time. But anyway, you don't hear me huffing and puffing, but I sure was doing that, heading up these stairs. So a lot of detailed work has gone into writing and painting all these Bible verses on the stairs. That's unbelievable.
Yeah.
Therefore, and we covered it that your sins may be blotted out when the time of refreshing shall come from the presence
Of the Lord.
That was Book of Acts.
Yeah.
Judge not at all, not to be judged. Condemn not, and you shall not be condemned.
Yeah. I shall be forgiven. Luke
Right?
6:37.
Good words to
Nilagyan nila ng mga verse from
Alright,
Bible.
There was the first section of it. Yes, there is one. I'm losing my breath already.
Yan, tingnan nyo. Wow,
but
look.
it's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Beautiful views. My wife's camera is a lot better than mine, and I'm actually going to use some of the footage
Yeah, look.
for the
So
close-ups.
nice over there.
Look,
Look, that's the Mount Arayat.
yeah, Mount Arayat is
That's a Mount Arayat over there.
out there. So that is
It's so nice.
that is pretty cool.
Yeah.
And then you have the bridge there.
So pag mahal na araw, maraming pumupunta dito ng mga deboto. So itong lugar na to is crowded pag mahal na araw. And then we go back upstairs na. Oh. Ah,
Are you already getting tired?
no, not yet. I'm just used to it. Because it's a long time.
Yeah.
So, I think the last time we visit her is last year.
Yeah. It's over.
Yeah. So,
Let's move.
yeah, so yung parents ko is malapit lang sila nakatira dito. So it's easy, like one ride of jeepney from Sibera. Kailangan maabot ang tuktok.
All right. There's an undersized store here. It wasn't here before, was it?
Yeah. But there's one over there upstairs.
Yeah.
So kung gusto nyo bumili ng mga inumin, pagka-snacks, pwede pa bumili dito kasi may store sila.
Alright, so you know, climbing up here, this I think was the section number 2, 2/3 of the way, and sitting in for 9 months, gaining 18 pounds, and then start doing this.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay, let's do it. We finish. We finish.
Here,
I think there's a cave on that area, right?
if you walk out this way, down around the corner is a cave. We
Yeah, they have 3 caves.
made an
Over
attempt
here.
to get in there last time.
Yeah, we have a tour guide. The little kid.
Little kid tour guide
Yeah.
showing us into the grotto. But we didn't have any light, so it was kind of pointless. It was completely,
Yeah.
once you got in a little bit, completely dark. So we are going to
Akit.
this really gets to your legs, I'm telling you.
My leg is shaking. Bad condition. My leg is shaking. That's how I'm.
Why are you shaking?
Bad condition.
Yeah.
So they will get cleaning on the area, and there's some smoke on the dried leaves. So that one is prevent for mosquito, I think. Oh, smell good. Woohoo. Okay, let's finish. Here we go again. That's Lady of Lourdes. Yes. Oh, look at her. She's so beautiful.
I don't know the history of it, but now
Maybe we take a rest a little bit. We take a rest a little bit.
a little rest.
Yeah.
All right, so also there's another area up on top of this there with the viewpoint. So we're going to take you up there before we're done. Janice is going to stay in here a little bit, face on the spec, lit a couple of candles, and then we head up that way. All right, so let's head up there. It's quite a walk here too, and again, you know, some of the steps here are not just regular height steps. They're as you can see, I have to lift my feet pretty high too, and it pushes your muscles too, if you have any, to the brink. So. Anyway, I beat her up here. I beat her up. So no, I didn't beat her up. I made it up before she did. It didn't come out right. Views up here are spectacular, beautiful. Many of you probably have seen it, but you know, just sitting here and look over this is very peaceful, and I really enjoy it. So it's been a good day, and oops, she says we're not up. Okay, well, let's go. So we'll go up there and get all the way up. Actually, we're almost up there. So you see the 3 crosses here, and that's where everything ends, on top of the hill, top of the mountain. And there we go. Turn the camera, and that's what we're looking at. And again, she is fighting to go up. We both have been sitting here lazy for 9 months, and both have gained a little bit of weight actually, and that's the way it is. So let's enjoy the view for a minute. Alright guys, this is alright guys. I say guys all the time. There's some ladies out here too. Lately our channel has grown with ladies, and amazingly our channel has grown here in Philippines quite a bit over the last few months, and we can see that in our analytics, that more and more traffic are coming in from Philippines as well. So we welcome all the Filipinos. We're trying to capture your beautiful country. Has been hard during this pandemic, but we are going to get back to it and try to do what we can. So look at these views, guys. They're beautiful views, and this is just a few kilometers away from home. So that's cool. All right, so let's not forget our live feeds are on in Philippines Thursday morning and Sunday morning at 9:15 a.m. and you are welcome to participate. We also post a link on the feed when we start, and you're welcome to join us on camera if you like, and you can do that anytime you want. As far as Eastern time, it's 8:15 p.m. on Wednesday and Saturday evening. So we try to match both sides of the globe, and we'll go from there, guys. Thank you for watching, and God bless, and enjoy your day, your night. Take care of family and friends. God bless. Bye-bye. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.